With shrinking yards, it's often hard to find room to do some gardening, but a hanging basket offers the opportunity to do some really exciting things. A simple basket like this, a wire one with a coconut fibre liner, you can turn that into almost anything. Now, one of the things I love to do is to grow a herb garden, and here's a selection here. Crazy as it may sound, I would attempt to get all of those into the one basket. And the payoff at the end is that you've got a fantastic collection of flavours. Now here's a tip. You can double the planting area of your basket by cutting a hole through the wall of the coconut fibre liner, just like that, and planting straight through that wall. And this will give you a lettuce bowl, for an example, or you could use annuals like petunias and you'd get a ball of flower. It looks fantastic. Now, if you're a collector, you can actually plant out a collection of your particular specialities into a basket. For an example, it looks great with a collection of succulent plants, or even your treasure trove of bromeliads would look super in a basket like this. In other words, the possibilities are endless. Here are the basics. Make sure you've got a sturdy point to hang your basket on. Remember that when this is full of plants and well watered, it's pretty heavy. And the potting mix is critical. The reason is that hanging baskets can dry out very quickly. They've got air exposed all around the sides, and a plant will dry out at twice the rate of one that's in the ground. Bailey's premium potting mix is outstanding for hanging baskets. It holds onto water like a sponge, but it also drains well, and it's got all the nutrients needed to get plants off to an immediate start. And because of the grow sorb, the moisture moves right throughout the root ball. Now, the process couldn't be simpler. Basically, take your plant out of its old pot, place it onto the mix where you want it, just like that, and you're underway. Okay, here's a trailing rosemary, so that needs to go near the edge of the pot. And this is sage. Absolutely beautiful, lightly fried, the leaves. And of course, all of the sage family have edible flowers. So now it's a matter of just getting that potting mix in between the pots. Gently pat down the potting mix so it's in close contact with the roots. And then you need to give your hanging basket a really good drink. And once again, this puts the roots right next to the potting mix in which it's growing, gets rid of air pockets. So your hanging basket or hanging garden is ready to go.